We all know we have a better, smarter, more disciplined, more successful version of ourselves that we are not allowing to manifest in this life, right? And so very vaguely you can hear him say, you can be more. You can be more than you are, and you know it. There's that internal dream, that dialogue that you always have with yourself. And here's the truth, right? I think the majority of the reasons why we would not let that ideal self come to manifestation is because of suffering. But suffering is a non-negotiable in this life. So it's not about whether or not you'll suffer. It's about whether or not you'll suffer is worth suffering for.